Multilogin is a reliable solution with built-in proxies for managing multiple accounts. In this demo, we'll set up profiles using SOCKS5 Proxies. Let's get started. First, log in and open your Multilogin workspace. From the dashboard, click Create to start a new profile. Give the profile a clear descriptive name. Select pre-warmed cookies to speed up trust and logins. Then select Multilogin as proxy provider. Multilogin provides both residential and mobile proxies. Choose the connection type for your specific needs. Select the country or region that matches your target location. City-level targeting is also available. In the protocol settings, choose SOCKS5. Click Check Proxy to verify the connection before launching the profile. Add tags and notes to organize your profiles. You can also configure the Startup tab behavior. Switch to Advanced mode to tweak WebRTC, time zone, and fingerprinting. Click Create Profile to save the settings. Your profile is configured and ready to start. If you want to simplify the next profile creation, you can create a proxy template for your profiles. Click the Proxies icon on the sidebar. Click Create to add a new template. The template will store the proxy configuration you configured. Verify your proxies, click Create, and next time you'll find this template in the list when creating profiles. Let's get back to your profiles. Let's launch our profile. A page will open showing your IP and location. Confirm the proxy is active and accurate. From here, you can start creating or managing multiple accounts with the configured SOCKS5 Proxies. Thanks for watching. You're all set to run your accounts. Learn more on our website and YouTube channel. Sign up today and get started.